Once, next lesson we can study about physics in motion. Lesson name motion. What is motion? Motion means an object is in motion when it is continuously changing its position based on a reference point and as observed by a person or a device. Example, a car from one place to another place. So this is the example motion. So motion means any one object in motion. Motion means running or moving one place to another place continuously, changing its position based on the reference point. So that is called as motion. And next, what is the definition of motion? Motion in simple terms is the process of moving, changing place or even changing position. Or motion is an important aspect of physics. As for example of motion, every verb running, walking, jumping, falling, bouncing, these and all in our day-to-day our life. This is called as motion. And then what is motion? Motion means an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings in given time. Motion is always observed and measured with a point of reference. So all living things show motion whereas non-living things show motion only when some force is acting on it. For example, in our home, lot of things, non-living things, non-living things not moving, but we can change the position to one place to another place, and living things moving. And how it is living things moving? When we have the car, we can see the street of side view, all the trees are moving or any other object is there standing, all those things also moving. So நம்ம பஸ்லேயோ கார்லேயோ ட்ராவல் ஆகும்போது சைடில் இருக்க அந்த ரெஸ்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட், ஸ்டேஷ்னரி ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஒரே இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும், ஆனால் அது நமக்கு அது மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த motion, stationary motion. Next, types of motion, there are two types. One is uniform motion and another one is non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, example, there are two examples, car A and car B. Car A travel equal distance in equal intervals of time, so it is in uniform motion. So example, the movement of hands of the clock, they move equal distance in equal interval of time. In our home we can see it, and in our hand clock also, watch or hanging clock, anyone. And non-uniform motion means travels unequal distance in equal intervals of time, so it is said to be a non-uniform motion. Example, an athlete running in a race. For example, any one athlete to run, to start running 800, 100, 200 meters, anyone, but the athlete can be to move fast to change their position, but it can be complete the intervals of times. So டைமிங்ஸ்க்கு முடிப்பாங்க, பட் ரன் ஆகும்போது டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஸ்பீடில் ரன் ஆகுவாங்க, பொசிஷன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் த நான் யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு யூனிஃபார்ம் சர்க்குலர் மோஷன். யூனிஃபார்ம் சர்க்குலர் மோஷன் மீன்ஸ் assumes constant speed. The distance travelled in one cycle is the circumference of the circle and the time taken period of motion, t. So t is equal to 2 pi r divided by v. R is the radius of the circle, v is the speed of the motion. And then non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means when a body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. It is said to be moving with a non-uniform motion. Example, an aeroplane running on a runway before taking off. A freely falling stone under the action of gravity. So any one stone we can throw it up, it come back to the earth easily. So this is also non-uniform motion. And then types of motion with example in our day-to-day life: vibratory motion, linear motion, curvilinear motion, oscillatory motion, circular motion, rotatory motion. And then rotating fan in our home or any other places, spinning top, Ferris wheel, spinning wheel, turbine. These and all in our day-to-day life example of motion, different types of motion. And what is rotational motion? Rotational motion means the motion of body that spins about an axis. Example: Ferris wheel, bicycle wheel, merry-go-round, etc. And then circular motion. Circular motion means any object that revolves about a single axis undergoes a circular motion. During circular motion, the centripetal force has constant magnitude mv square by r, and it is always directed towards the center of the circle. Giant wheel, MGM, கிஷ்கிந்தா இங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். And next, circular motion. Circular motion is a movement of an object along the circumferences of a circle or rotation along a circular path or a circular orbit. These and all in our day-to-day life: fan, ceiling fan, table fan, anyone. So the motion of a point marked on the blade of electric fan or hands of clock are examples of the circular motion. And then these and all different types of motions: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, periodic motion. And then these and all in our day-to-day life: spinning top, Ferris wheel, rotating blades of helicopter, earth rotating on its own axis. And these and all in our day-to-day life, you can see and understand the concept of types of motion.